Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where we bring you smart tools, clever solutions, and game-changing gear to make your life easier and more productive. Does your garage or workshop look like a tool tornado just hit it, wasting time hunting for that drill or untangling cords? Today, I'm about to show you the ultimate fix that turns chaos into pure productivity. This isn't just a shelf, it's your personal garage assistant. The Power Tool Organizer wall mount with charging station solves 5 problems at once, saving you time, space, and a whole lot of frustration. We've all been there, spending more time looking for tools than actually using them. Cords everywhere, dead batteries when you need them most, and no real space to keep everything in order. The Power Tool Organizer changes all of that. It's built with heavy-duty metal so it holds up to your toughest gear. The 5 built-in outlets mean you can charge all your cordless tools in one place. No more swapping plugs or finding extra extension cords. Plus, with dedicated slots for your drills and batteries, you always know exactly where everything is. By mounting this in your garage or workshop, you're not just organizing, you're boosting your productivity. Imagine every tool ready to go, every battery charged, and 0 wasted minutes searching or untangling. That's time back in your day to actually build, fix, and create. This organizer is more than storage. It's an investment in efficiency. One small change in your workspace can save you hours over time. And when your time is worth something, this pays for itself fast. Get your Power Tool Organizer today. Turn your workshop from cluttered to powerful. Links in the description. Your tools deserve a home, and you deserve your time back. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest finds to make your life easier and more productive. See you in the next video.